Hello my friends, today I come here with a tutorial for making a delicious hot chocolate pudding that is very quick and easy. So stay with me for learning the secret of this delicious pudding. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: chocolate 100 grams, cream 200 grams, cornstarch powder 3 tablespoons, milk 2 cups, cocoa powder 1/3 of a glass, sugar 1/3 of a glass. Pour the cornstarch powder, sugar and cocoa powder into the desired pot and mix them together. When the powder ingredients are well mixed, I add the cold milk little by little to the ingredients and stir it. This allows the material to stand out and have a one-handed combination. When they are well mixed, I turn on the gas and increase the gas flame. And I put the pot on it. And I keep stirring until it boils. You can see that our mixture thickened a little. I turn down the gas and add chocolate to it, and I stir it again. After about 1 minute, it's time to add cream to the mixture. When they are well mixed, I remove it from the heat. Put it into the dish when it is still hot. I decorate it with white cream. Just look at the texture, the concentration, and the attractiveness. I hope you make this delicious dessert and enjoy eating it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.